5 things I've learnt using AI to find football matches to bet on. Have you tried using AI to find profitable football matches? Are you frustrated by the results you are getting? Well, you're not alone. When I first started using AI to help me find football matches to bet on, I honestly thought it would be like having a little genius in the room. I'd type a few words and boom, it would find the perfect bets for the day. But it didn't quite work out that way. After months of experimenting, testing prompts, and sometimes arguing with ChatGPT, I've learnt 5 really useful lessons. These lessons completely changed how I use AI, and today I'll share them all with you. Whether you use AI to check your daily picks or to build a full system, these 5 lessons will save you hours of frustration and wasted effort. Hi, my name is Malcolm. I've been creating software and systems for the betting market for the last 20 plus years. Over the last 3 years, I've used AI in my daily life more and more, and it goes without saying that I also use it to find sports bets. If you want to try out my daily football tips, then just comment below, give me the tips. Okay, let's get on with the lessons learnt. 1. Getting the prompt right, priming AI. The first thing I learnt, AI isn't a mind reader. If you just say, find me some good football bets today, you'll get rubbish. You have to prime it. Tell it who it's supposed to be before you ask for help. For example, I might start a prompt like this. You are a football statistics expert who specialises in both teams to score and over 2.5 goals markets. Analyse today's matches and find games that fit the following rules. That tiny change makes a massive difference. Once AI knows its role, it gives you focused answers, not random guesses. The first few words of your prompt are often the most powerful. So remember, always tell AI who it should be before asking what you want. Lesson 2. Be specific. Boundaries matter. Once I'd fixed the prompt, I realised I was still being too vague. AI performs best when you box it in. Give it clear boundaries, markets, leagues, time range, even what stats to use. I'll often say something like, find 5 matches today in the top 10 European leagues where both teams average 1.5 or more goals scored per game and concede at least 1. That's clear. It knows exactly what to look for. If you just say, find high-scoring matches, AI doesn't know what high-scoring is. That could mean to you over 5 goals, but to AI it could mean anything over 2.5 goals, which is the average goals scored per match. Think about it as filters. So if you don't like reserve matches, tell the AI, do not include any reserve matches in the results. Do not include any under matches or under 21 matches in the results. The more precise you are with your terminology, the more likely you are to get what you want. Lesson 2. The clearer the instruction, the better the result. Lesson 3. Feed it matches versus let it find its own. This one really changed how I use AI. At first, I let AI find its own matches. I'd say, find 5 games today that fit my over 2.5 goals criteria. And sure, it came back with the 5. But also it can come back with a few odd ones, obscure leagues, postponed fixtures. Sometimes it even picks up yesterday's matches. So I tried the other way. I'd pick the matches myself, from sources I know to be good or matches I was interested on using, then asked AI to analyse those matches for either the best one, top 3, or if there were enough selections, the top 5. I actually covered this in my AI course, which you will find a link to in the description. In fact, when you sign up for my 1-a-day football tip, you are getting these 2 types of results. The 1-a-day is where I have fed AI a number of matches I feel will have a good chance of having at least 1 goal in the match, even a BTTS. And a few minutes later, you get another email that has 5 completely AI-generated matches in it. If you want the link to these daily selections, then just type "give me the tips" in the comments below. One further way you can use this idea is to give AI the initial criteria and then ask it again to shortlist the selections with a further, more specific prompt. Lesson 4. Teach AI your style. Here's where things get interesting. AI can actually learn your betting style without you writing a single line of code. If I tell it, I prefer games where both teams attack but rarely keep clean sheets, it starts to get my logic. I can even paste a few of my past winning picks and say, these are examples of the kind of matches I like. Find me similar ones today. This improves the response from the AI because it has more information to work with. That's when I realized I'm not just talking to AI, I'm training it to understand how I think. Think of it like this. We all probably have a preferred way to bet, leagues we like the best, even teams we prefer to bet on. So why not give the AI this information? So every time the AI gives you a successful bet or a match you really like, add it to a file and tell the AI, I like matches like these. The AI will often come back with a summary of the match, even full statistics, and you can use these as well. The more you feed it your tone, your logic, your past examples, the more consistent it becomes. Lesson 5. The output. You can ask AI to output your results in a certain way. You can even get more specific by asking for specific statistics. Here is one I have used in the past. As you can see, I've not only given the AI instructions for how to output the results, but I've also given it an example. Again, be specific because the AI needs to know exactly what you want. So let's quickly recap the 5 things I've learned using AI to find football matches. 1. Prime your prompt. 2. Be specific. 3. Use AI as both scout and analyst. 4. Teach it your style. 5. Show the AI the output. AI won't make you rich overnight, but it will make your research faster and more consistent. And honestly, it's fun. It feels like having a digital teammate who never sleeps. If you would like to see my daily picks, then don't forget to comment, give me the tips. If you like this video, then please subscribe and give it the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next picks.